Okay, let's take a look at the answer. If we use our genetic code, we see that the first codon is TAC. So I'm going to look here, UAC, and that's tyrosine, which we symbolize with Y. And then I'm going to take the next one, CTG, CUG, which would be leucine, or L. And then I'm going to take the last one, which is GGG, and look for GGG, glycine, which is symbolized with a G. So the answer is YLG. Now, what I hope none of you got tricked by is the fact that I gave you the DNA sequence, not the RNA sequence. This is a coding region of DNA that will eventually be transcribed into the mRNA that at the same positions will say UAC, CUG, GGG, and so on. And we'll have these three codons. But remember, when the coding region is copied into the RNA intermediate, the mRNA, the thymines, or the T's, are replaced by U's. And that's why our genetic code uses U's. It's because technically the code that's being translated is not the DNA, but the RNA that's being turned into protein. The RNA is the intermediate, and the DNA is where that RNA came from. So although I give you the original DNA sequence, you should be able to figure out the protein by simply replacing the thymines with uracils, or T's with U's, and then reading the codons in that format, translating it from the genetic code into the protein sequence that you would get right here. So in this case, in the ABO gene, from position 793 to position 801 of the genetic code, the coding region of the gene, we would get 3 amino acids from 3 codons totaling 9 nucleotides, tyrosine, or Y, L for leucine, and G for glycine.